Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain the Discover It secured credit card. This card is designed to help individuals build or rebuild their credit history responsibly. You will need to provide a refundable security deposit, which starts at $200 and directly sets your credit limit. A standout feature is its cash-back rewards program, which is uncommon for secured cards, offering a great incentive while you work on your credit. One of the most appealing aspects of this card is its generous rewards structure. You can earn 2% cash back on up to $1,000 in combined purchases each quarter at gas stations and restaurants. Plus, you get an unlimited 1% cash back on all other purchases. As an added bonus, Discover will automatically match all the cash back you've earned at the end of your first year, effectively doubling your rewards. The security deposit is crucial. It ranges from a minimum of $200 up to $2,500, directly determining your credit limit. This card helps build your credit by reporting your payment activity to all 3 major credit bureaus. After just 7 months of responsible use, Discover begins automatic monthly reviews to see if you qualify to transition to an unsecured card and get your deposit back. Beyond the rewards and credit building, this card offers several valuable benefits. There is no annual fee, saving you money each year, and no foreign transaction fees for international purchases. You also get free access to your FICO credit score, helping you monitor your credit journey. Importantly, there is no penalty APRA, and your first late payment fee is waived, providing a safety net as you establish good habits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.